Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really simple way to clean your lace without wetting the actual hair. So let's get into it.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Okay, so look at this lace, guys. It's so dirty and has so much buildup on it. And instead of washing the whole wig, I'm going to show you how I clean just the lace. For this, all I'm using is a bathing glove. It's a bathing glove and some water. That's literally it. I'm just going to dampen my glove, sorry, with a little bit of water. I don't want it soaking wet because I'm not trying to wet the hair. And I'm rubbing gently because I don't want to damage the lace.
Give me some Henny and a honey pack so we can know. Give me some Henny and a honey pack so we can know. Wait 15 minutes, then I wanna crack so we can know. Baby, you gon' get your money back so we can know. Give me some Henny and a honey pack so we can know. Give me some Henny and a honey pack so we can know. Wait 15 minutes, then I wanna crack so we can know. Baby, you gon' get your money back so we can know.
And look at the difference. Oh my god, the lace looks so much cleaner, and I don't even have to wash the whole wig. So if your lace is looking dirty but you don't want to wash your entire wig, definitely try this method, guys. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Love you guys. Mwah.